Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a file into one of your Basecamp projects? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a file into your Basecamp project anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing various projects and teams, sometimes you're going to have important paperwork like contracts that you want to add into the project. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a document or a file into a project, click right here on View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, scroll down to the project you want to add a document into. So for example, this one. Once you click on it, you want to look for this orange logo right here, Docs and Files, and click on Add Docs and Files. All right, once you do that, you want to click on this green button here on the top left. Next, go ahead and choose the type of file you're going to be adding. If you're going to grab it from your computer, click right here, Upload Files. All right, once you grab the document, it's going to go ahead and start uploading. All right, you can see an image of the document. You can add any kind of notes here. These are tacos. Okay, now we can go ahead and post this document or this file to our Basecamp project by clicking on the green button. Okay, so now we've added this file into our Basecamp project. So if we go to the project itself, and anybody who clicks into the docs and files, they're going to be able to see this file here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a document or a file into your Basecamp project, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.